Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and a clean connection. Put both earbuds into the case and plug in the charger. You want some charge so the reset can complete. Next, remove or forget the Endurance Peak 2 from any paired device so you avoid automatic reconnection. Once done, keep the case closed on a flat surface and prepare to use the case controls. This ensures the earbuds are in their stored state, which is required for the next reset step. Now you force the earbuds to clear stored pairings. With the buds in the case and the case closed, press and hold the case button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes or shifts color. That flash tells you the internal memory was cleared. If your model lacks a case button, instead press and hold both earbuds touch controls for roughly 10 seconds. Make sure you hold steady. Releasing early may cancel the process, so wait for the visual cue before finally reintroduce the earbuds to your device. Open the case, take out the buds, and they should enter pairing mode. Select JBL Endurance Peak 2 on your phone and connect. If pairing fails, make sure both the case and earbuds are fully charged, reboot your phone, and repeat the reset sequence once. As a key troubleshooting tip, forget the device entry on your phone's Bluetooth list before retrying. This removes stale profiles that commonly block a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.